So in this lesson we're going to discuss about creating a proper Maya project. Let's see how to do that. So before I go to that, hope you remember the last things we discussed. It's like alt left click for tumble, middle click for pan and tracking, right click for alt right click for zoom in zoom out, and or else you can use just mouse scroll. Then you can use W for move tool, for example, Q for selection, W move, E rotation, or scale. So hope you remember all those things. Anyway, so let me create a new, go to file. Now we're going to create a new project. Let's go to project window. Now I would like to set a location where I want to save my files. So I would like to go to this directory. Let me hit the folder. Let me go to my F drive. I have a folder called China. Yep, I go here, called China. I set this. Then inside China, I would like to create a folder called new project. Let me call it as modeling class. This is my file name. You could see that Maya won't accept blank spaces. Even if you give a blank space, Maya would fill it with a underscore. So it's a case specification is there. So I prefer to go with modeling class. Yep, and everything is great. So what will happen is in the F drive, in this folder, it will create a folder called modeling class, and inside that folder there will be subsection for each of this folder here. So now let's see that. Let me take you to that situation there. We go to the folder called China 2020, and this is where we are going to create that file. Now it is nothing there, but it is going to create a folder now called. Great. So let's hit accept. That's it. Once it is done, just now go to this location. You can see there is a folder called modeling class. So double click the folder. That you could see there all the files are created. So all your Maya files will be saved inside the scene folder. Okay. Similarly, the textures or the images which you use, we have to save it here in the images. And the scripts like Python and Mel we can save here, and the sound for your project. It's like we are segregating each and individual file types into each subsection of folders. It's fine. Let's see this. Let's go to Maya here. Now I would like to file. We have created a new project, but I would like to set that project as my current project workspace. Not just creating a project would help you. You have to set that project as your current project. I'm going to my set project location here. I'm going to choose modeling tutorials. Yeah, modeling tutorials. No, modeling class as my project. Set. That's it. Now if I press the save button, it has to save. Like, let me go to file, save scene as. Look at where it saves. China 2020 modeling class. Inside the scenes folder it saves. Yeah, I will just save it as my class 1. Great. Now the file will be saved here. F China 2020 modeling class scenes class 1. So this is how it has to be. So now when you go here, you can see in F China 20 modeling class, inside the scenes folder, your Maya will be saved here. It's class 1.mb file. It's a 49 KB. It's a MB file, which means Maya binary. Maya saves files in two formats. One is Maya binary, another one is Maya ASCII. When you go to file and save scene as, you could see two options there. It's like Maya binary and Maya ASCII. Maya binary will be convenient, but if you really need of a backward compatibility file, we need to select Maya ASCII. So in my case, I don't need to go for backward compatibility. Like, I don't want to open my file in Maya 2015 or 14. So in that scenario, I don't need Maya ASCII. So I chose Maya binary and I saved my file there. Great. Now your file will be saved here as class 1. So this is a class 1 file. And now we can start doing all the work. So the first thing we're going to do is let's create some object and work on the interface. So first one, window, workspaces, go to reset modeling standard to factory default. So this is the modeling interface here. If you feel the grid is somewhere position, just press F, it will come to the focus. Yeah, that's good. Now the next one is